Kasi nakita niyo naman kung paano nangyari sa amin. Dalawa lang kami magkapatid, but we don't look like we are human. I don't know why, but well, anyway, I'm happy.
Oh my
Why are you
goodness.
laughing when I do like this? Is there something nothing? Can you see something nothing? You know why sometimes it's nice to sit down like this? Especially when you've been a widow for 50 years. I've been a widow for 52 years. Now, you know, sometimes I go to the restaurant, I sit down like that because nobody knows. Something might come in. It's okay. You know, I just want you to be happy.
My
Because
God.
sometimes you come here, all they do is, good evening.
We almost had a